All right, guys, so we are going on a trip to Thailand. This is gonna be our first time going to Thailand. We are leaving tomorrow, Monday. I have already updated my calendar, but we're leaving tomorrow, Monday, on December 8th. So yeah, we're gonna be in Thailand for a couple months. So most important thing when you're traveling abroad is having a passport. Important to get the book, the long form booklet, along with a card. You don't necessarily need a card, but having a booklet is super important. If you need help with doing that, we have made a checklist when it comes to traveling abroad, so make sure to check that out in the description down below. All right, so here is the carry-on bag I'm going to be traveling with. So I will be taking this book bag along with my tech book bag. So this is my tech book bag. Pretty much gonna have my laptops, tablets, chargers, phone chargers, things like that. So we have that bag gonna be taking along with the carry-on bag. So this bag has a lot of different zippers and compartments, if you will. So we have enough room. So we really just wanted to focus on traveling light and being mindful that we need to travel light because we're going to be getting stuff in Thailand. Also have this scale kind of bag weigher thing, because with the flight that we're taking with our airline, they only want us to have at least 17 pounds, well, at the most 17 pounds per carry-on. So got clothes, some clothes that we're bringing, just like sweaters, jeans, shorts, pants, things like that. Of course, undergarments, bra, underwears, things like that. Shoes, and then water shoes if I want to go swimming. So yeah, so pretty much packing light. Right, now we got our bag packed. So now we got to weigh it to make sure that it is less than 15 pounds.
Well, right at 15 pounds.
Or right at 15 pounds. So that way we don't have to take anything out because we already know how much it weighs. So we bought a scaler, a bag weigher that would let us know exactly how much it is.
You ready? Tell me how much it weighs. You ready? 1, 2, and 3. Oh, hold on. I'm on the strings. There we go.
Which one am I looking at?
The red.
A little over 10 pounds. It's like 10 pounds and maybe like an ounce or whatever.
It's like 11 pounds.
11 pounds.
Ooh. So it was at like exactly 15. So we lost 4 pounds. Oh, thank God.
So I've only rode on a plane one time in my life, and that was a short trip from Texas to Alabama. But this is totally different because we're going to be going to Thailand, which is going to be about a 22-hour plane ride, but it's broken up into segments. But our first plane ride is about how many hours?
12.
It's about 12 hours. So I already know I'm going to be a little stressed out because I'm not a fan of heights. So I went ahead and bought some things. This is Oli, which is for stress. So it helps get rid of stress. And it is jet set friendly. Then I also got some melatonin to help me sleep. And then I got some active immunity, different countries. So Just got these just in case. Now, of course, gotta take a manga with me. Gonna be taking Death Note with me so I can read it on the plane. Definitely want to get done with this book. Let me know in the comments if you've watched Death Note before. It's an anime, pretty good. Bought this manga. This one is Solo Leveling. It is a really good anime as well. I'm gonna bring this on the plane ride, hopefully, if we have enough room.
We will.
So yeah, very good read as well. What is the most important things to bring with you when you are traveling abroad? List. So number one is going to be your passport. Obviously, you need a passport booklet in order to travel anywhere abroad out of the United States. Number two, you're going to need your visas. So of course, before you leave, you want to make sure that the place that you're going to, you need to check to see if it requires a visa or not. If it does not, then good. If it does, then you're going to need to go to ivisa.com and do the application in order to get your visa. Next, you're going to need a folder that has a lot of important documents, like a copy of your birth certificate, copy of your visas, your itinerary, where you're going to be staying at, your plane tickets, all that good stuff. You need to carry a folder around with you and have it on you in your travel bag, whatever the case is. You need to have that with you.